You're going to make 3 cupcakes that are about the same size each. So once your paper is prepared and you have your 3 rectangles, you're going to make the top arches of your cupcakes. These will get erased later, but it's a first important step in order for us to get 3 cupcakes that are pretty much the same size. So really, really lightly draw with your pencil that top arch of the cupcake. Then you're gonna make the bottom arch. This is also called an ellipse. It's kind of like an oval shape. You're gonna do that 3 times to make 3 ellipses going across your paper. It's really important to draw really, really, really lightly. Nothing is set in stone yet. This is all just really, really light sketching. So please make sure you're drawing lightly and you have an eraser handy. After you've drawn those 3 ellipses and you're happy with how those look, go ahead and start drawing your diagonal lines for the bottom part of your cupcakes. Just try to make those about the same size and the same direction as all 3 cupcakes. Once you're happy with that, it's time to draw the bottom of your cupcake, which should mirror that arch that you made up at the top. So really lightly sketch the bottom of your cupcake. Once you're happy with the bottoms and you feel like everything looks pretty much the same, I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but when you're happy with it, go ahead and start brainstorming ways you can draw the tops of your cupcakes. This is where you can be creative. Not all of the tops have to be the same. You can search online for more ideas, and you can keep it simple or be as creative as you want. Remember that we're gonna be coloring these with oil pastels later, so you don't want to do too many really tiny details because those are just going to get colored over later. You want to just draw things pretty simply. Lastly, take your ruler and draw a straight horizontal line behind your cupcakes. This will make it look like they're sitting on a table. All of these grid lines will then be erased. The last thing we're going to do is the shadows. So the shadows should wrap around the bottom of the cupcake, should be like a flat oval shape, and they should be about the same for each cupcake, going in the same direction because the light source should only be coming from one side. So technically the shadows are our last step, and then we will be erasing the grids. After this, we're ready for oil pastel.